Listen to that, isn't it beautiful? Okay, hopefully I didn't get anybody dizzy on that one. So, we have our replacement inner and outer tie rod set, ready to go with new nuts, cotter pins, bleeders, well, grease joints, however you want to call them. I'm too tired to really argue with anybody this morning and in too much pain still. So I will do the next one, get that taken care of, and do the idler arm next. Yeah. Okay, well, these are going to be some short, small ones so I can keep on working. All right, guys, have a good one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the big top is open and hot. So, previous video, I'm fairly certain. So here's our passenger side. Oops, sorry. It's all built, ready to go. Measured them out. I'm within a millimeter, but the alignment guy can take care of that. That's not a big deal. So, now we're gonna build this one, measure everything out. What do I do with this? There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna build this one, put the sleeve on, measure everything out, and then get, you know, make sure that it's as perfect as we can get it. Get the bleeders in it, cotter pins, just kind of snug them up with the nut so everything's together. And our drag link is still drying. I don't want to take any chances, so the front end will look much better. And we will get this taken care of. Scotty's going to push himself to go as long as he can today. Because I'll tell you, that stupid 20-ounce bottle, yeah. Don't lift up a 20-ounce bottle. Threw my back out. Literally, that's all it was. But, okay, guys. I will let you go. And, of course, to the owners, hello, and I hope you all are doing good. Have a great vacation if that's what you're on, I think. I think you're on a vacation, right? Well, whatever. Okay, well, have a great time, guys, and we'll see you guys with the next video.